Hey guys, how's it going? Today I went on an adventure and I decided to go to Devil's Lake. It's gorgeous here, guys. Lately I've been feeling kind of down and kind of depressed. Just life kind of gets to you. A lot of change happens and kind of life gets go blah. In this video you'll see me just pause because I'm just embracing the breeze, the beauty, and the change of attitude. We get caught up in life, the struggles, the pain. We forget the bliss and the peace that the world has to offer us in the woods, the river. It's so healing. They're looking at me. It's kind of weird doing a video here. There's just people like right there. Felt like I was talking to myself. Technically I am, but hey, it's do a video. So yeah, we just forget. We forget the peace and beauty and bliss and serenity and the forgiveness that this world has to offer us. It's a gorgeous world if we just go out and look in nature. It's one reason I'm a Christian is because I look at a tree. Look at that. I look at a tree and just see the growth and the way it grows and how it grows. On my way here I saw snow and it's 81 degrees out. 81 degrees out and there's snow on the ground. Like, how in the heck is that even possible? I don't understand it. Sorry, I keep looking back because now I'm all self-conscious. They were all looking at me like I was crazy, but who cares? The reason I know God is real is because nature had to be created by a earth-loving, person-loving, all-around loving, unique person. Sorry, I'm trying to transition stuff. So if you're feeling down or you just feel stuck or stressed, take a drive. It doesn't have to be at a lake or a river. Just go out of the city lines. Just take a drive. Just sit and stare. Take a night drive, look at the stars. If you notice, if you go outside of the city bounds. It's inspiring just to look at the stars without any lights. The world just opens up to a whole new world. A lot of things are changing in my life right now. I'm going to be starting to create my own daycare. And I'm going to try and go to part-time Fred Meyers. There's just a lot of change. A lot of bugs. A lot of change going on in my life. Good stuff, but even good stuff, it's stressful. It's a lot of stuff to do and a lot of work, and it's nerve-wracking. You don't know what's going to happen sometimes. So today I had a day off. Decided to just go on an adventure and be by a lake or a river, because that's my peacefulness. Even with the bugs. I'm gonna skirt. Going crisscross applesauce. Getting a little dirty. But I'm calm. Tomorrow I'll wake up early and I'll look forward to that, but it's life. But today I'm just enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the peace, just clearing my head. So I don't get stuck in that. Life sucks, life stupid, I hate life, blah 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 mentality, because life isn't stupid, life isn't bad, it's amazing, it's supposed to be great, it's supposed to be happy. Just know, guys, whatever you're going through right now, life isn't bad. It's not supposed to be painful or hard. So whatever situation you're in right now, if you have to make a change, make it. Because whoever you are, wherever you are in your life, or in this country, or in this world, you do matter. You are worth it. So make a change. Leave a negative person in your life, or leave a negative job, or whatever it is. Make a change so you can be happy and live a better life. Because that's all we need. We deserve happiness in our life. No matter what mistakes you've made or whatever mistakes you are making right now, maybe you have control of your own life and you have a chance to make it better. Make yourself happy. Don't think about what other people are saying about you or think about you. Only thing that matters is what you think about yourself. See you later, guys.